Carnivore tonkatsu, kailangan natin ng pork lomo, egg, chicharon, and salt. Cut natin yung lomo into 2 by 3 inches and around 0.5 yung thickness niya. Gawin natin to lahat sa pork natin. Mag-food processor naman tayo ng chicharon that will serve as our pangko. Gagamitin natin as breading. Beat na natin yung egg, season with salt yung chicharon natin, pangko, the egg, and the pork. Dip muna natin sa egg yung pork natin. I-coat natin na chicharon that will serve as its breading. Tapos gawin lang natin sa lahat ng pork natin yan. Press natin lightly para mas kumapit yung breading natin. Luto na natin. Set natin sa medium heat yung apoy natin. Then, oil is around half ng meat natin. Cooking time is around 2 to 3 minutes per side. Eto, luto na sila. Check na natin. Cut natin into half para makita natin yung crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Follow for more!